Since the launch of the first satellite Sputnik in 1957, around 8,500 satellites have been sent into space. These days, there are around 5,000 satellites in Earth's orbit today. The largest satellite currently in orbit today is the International Space Station. However, these satellites are relatively unexciting in comparison to the mystery of one very old dark satellite. The Black Knight satellite is claimed by some conspiracy theorists to be an object that is 13,000 years old and of extraterrestrial origin. Orbiting the Earth in a near polar orbit, it's been identified as an alien satellite. Just what is its origin and what is its purpose? The first ever signal picked up from the Black Knight satellite was picked up by Nikola Tesla, a brilliant inventor who spent most of his career in the USA. He was an electrical engineer who produced works which explored the idea of radio and wireless transmissions. In 1899, he reported he had intercepted a signal unlike the natural sources from Earth, like natural storms, which he had already investigated in his experiments. He said the regular signals must be coming from intelligent outside sources, potentially inhabitants of Mars. Tesla never claimed to have heard signals from a satellite orbiting Earth, but there are those today who say that he was listening to a transmission from an orbiting satellite of unknown origin, later called by some the Black Knight. In 1957, Dr. Luis Coronas of the Communications Ministry of Venezuela photographed the Black Knight while he was taking pictures of Sputnik 2 as it passed over Caracas. The strange thing is, unlike Sputnik 1 and Sputnik 2, the Black Knight satellite orbited the Earth from east to west. The two Sputniks orbited the Earth from west to east, using the Earth's natural rotation to maintain orbit. In the 1960s, both superpowers had satellites in equatorial orbit, but both the USA and Russia admitted not owning the Black satellite. In 1965, the Black Knight satellite was once again located in polar orbit. Astronomers and scientists calculated the object's weight to be over 10 tons, which at that time would have been the heaviest artificial satellite to orbit our planet. The Black Knight's orbit was unlike any other object's orbiting the Earth, as it was moving twice as fast compared to any other man-made spacecraft. The Black Knight has been transmitting radio signals for over 50 years now to this day, and the US and Russia have shown particular interest in this space object. A ham radio operator who apparently decoded a series of signals received from the UFO satellite and said it was being sent to a star system centered on the Epsom Boom star system, and the Black Knight could have originated from this star system some 13,000 years ago. The crew of Space Shuttle Orbiter Endeavour photographed the unusual object in low Earth polar orbit. These images are often labelled as definitive proof of this satellite. Today on Conspiracy Team, we will show you secret NASA transmissions of the Black Knight satellite. The Black Knight satellite remains in polar orbit till this day, covered up by NASA and denied by NASA. What is its origin? What is its purpose? Nobody knows. It still sends a signal out today, but to who? And just what do those signals say? All I know is it watches our every move. Thanks for watching, Conspiracy Team.